Yeah man, you know, so today I'll do some blend season because today the weekend, today Sunday, and blend season finish. So you're going to need some, you know, regular thing, some green seeds we Jamaican always make, some garlic, scallion, thyme, piece of bell pepper night, onion, one pepper, ginger, and the thyme. The only thing I have pimento seed. You see me? But I'm good to see you know. I'm going to show you how I'm going. How me make it. And show you the tips and everything. Alright? Because we need this you know. We can't do without this in the pot. This is how we need in the pot. Meat, rice, anything we cook. This is how we need. So I'm show you how I'm going. Alright? Let's go. Cut them over now. Hold on. Eat this Pizza make nice. Put it on the side, you see me? So put some piece of bell pepper in it. And peel the onion, you see me? The onion is big still. It's almost 3/4 onion. You don't want to touch onion, you see me? So I put scallion time in it. Scallion in it. Alright? Show now again. I'm done. Show now again also. The garlic can go in all this, you go in all of this. Because of the key ingredients also. So I'm going to do everything now. Pepper, scallion, onion, bell pepper, ginger, garlic. You cut up this now and show you how I go. Scallion. Onion. And I go in the thyme. Then we'll go in with the garlic. And also the ginger. And one odd pepper inside of it. So it can at least stay the lime juice and keep it. Then I'm going to use some vinegar. Yeah, you put vinegar. And last but not least, you put a pinch of salt in it. Pinch of salt, you know? So me make my own and I tell you honestly truth, it's just stay up to 1 month and the spoil. Good. So I'll get this to the blender now. So we'll give it 1 minute guys, 1 minute. Blend. Oops. Watch out, hips. That. I don't want to put no more water inside of it. Use vinegar and lime juice. And look at it come out pretty and thick. Smell good. Now this, any food you're cooking guys, chicken, pork, fish, oxtail, mutton, ackee and salt fish, rice and peas, any meat, anything. Okay? Put this on the food. Season the food with this. And also put it inside the pot when you're you know what I'm saying? Like, share, subscribe for this one, okay? YouTube. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna see some chicken with this and now, some baked chicken. Okay? That one there for our next video though. Thank you guys for watching, like, share, subscribe. I'm out. Peace out guys. Alright, there again. Cut one a shot, make mistake or whatever. So I'm showing you the full result. So see there. In the container. Fully green seasoning, isn't it? And everything in this pot, we don't want to miss nothing. Everything right here is flavorful and neat, everything. All the crumbs we need. Yeah, crumbs, everything we want. So it's look thick. You don't see no water. You don't see no water. Yeah, so it should look thick. So you pour it over your meat. Alright. Yeah, nice. Like the video, guys, okay? Like the video, guys. Subscribe.